Here's a way you can actually make money by saving money. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. It's about 4:05 a.m. in the morning here on the Oregon coast. As you know, I start my day really early. I usually get up about 2:30, start my day at 3. I've already listed some items on eBay. It's just the way I roll. I've always been an early riser. But before we get into today's video, I just wanted to share with you a link that I put down below. This is something that I just got involved with, and I wanted to let you guys know about it. It's called Buy Me a Coffee. Now, I'm a coffee drinker, and I go out for coffee every morning. And what you can do is you can click and go to this website, and you can buy me a coffee. Not literally, but it's what it is. It's a donation site. And if you'd like to help out the channel, help me out, and with running this channel, I put any money I get towards those donations towards the running of this channel. So each coffee, per se, buy me a coffee, costs about $5. Okay, so for every coffee you buy, it's $5. Simple. So if you'd be interested in something like that, check out the link below. Okay, enough said about that. Let's get into the video. Okay, today I wanted to talk to you about a way that you can actually make money by saving money. When you run a business, you have to be aware of your operating expenses. I'm talking about things like buying inventory, buying shipping supplies, envelopes, tape, anything that physically requires you to spend money to run your business. Okay, and one of the things that I do on each one of my orders, when I get a postcard order, I have these little stickers that I put on there that help the postal carriers, gives them a heads up so they don't bend the card, because they don't know what's inside of it. They don't bend the card and just stuff it in a mailbox and it gets bent and destroyed. Okay, I've never had that happen, and I think it's because this sticker really helps out. Now I'm down to my last one here. Let me show you what it looks like. It says, "Caution, do not crush, bend, or fold." Okay, and this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can get it centered. Up we go. There we go. That's just a little sticker, and it comes on a roll of about 250 stickers. Okay, and I was paying about $15, and I've been using this same sticker ever since I started selling postcards. Well, I thought, is there maybe a way I can save some money here? So what I did is I went on Amazon and I looked to see if I could find the same sticker. Well, I did find the same exact sticker, but it was in a larger size. These are in the 1 to 2 inch configuration. Okay, they're 1 inches by 2 inches, and that's perfect for the envelope size that I use. That way it doesn't look disproportionate. And the ones they had on Amazon that were like this were like 2 to 3 inches. And I just thought that was a little bit too large. So I kept looking, and I found these right here. Okay, now as you can see, these are not exactly the same. They don't have the caution verbiage on there. It says caution, okay, and this doesn't. This just says do not crush, bend, or fold. Okay, and it's the same 1 to 2 inch size and almost the same color. But the difference here is, like I said, for these stickers right here, I paid $15 for a roll of 250 stickers. For these, I paid $8 for a roll of 500 stickers. So what did I do? I bought 2 of them. Okay, so now I have 1,000 stickers for $16 as opposed to $15 for 250 stickers. Okay, now let's do the math on that. Let me get out my trusty calculator, because math is not my strong point. Never has been. Let me pull my calculator up here. And let's see here. Let's see. If I were to buy 4 of those rolls, it would cost like $60 at $15 a roll. So punch in $60 minus, I paid 16 for the 2 rolls. $44 savings, guys. And that's $44 that I can use to buy more cards that I can sell on eBay. So by saving a little money, I'm actually making money because I can use that money to buy more cards, and therefore I can use those cards to list on eBay and I can make more sales. It just makes sense to me. Just, it's just a business decision that I decided to do. And like I said, they're not exactly the same, but they accomplish the same purpose. I just need them to be on there so the postal carrier doesn't crush my card for my customer and then they write me back and say, hey, this thing's damaged. I want my money back. So that's what I decided to do. And if you'd like to pick up, one or two of these rolls, there's a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. I do get a little bit, from Amazon for that. It helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. But hey, it just makes sense to me. Why pay, $15 for a roll of 250 of these when I can pay $16 and get 1,000 for almost the same price? Okay, so I just thought I'd pass that on to you. Give it a shot. If you use stickers on your envelopes, this is a great deal. So I guess that's it for now. Just wanted to pass that on to you. If you got anything out of this video, you know what to do. Just smash that like button. It really helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I guess that's it. I'm going to go. But you guys have a great day. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. And bye for now.